week we want to talk to you a little bit about the Kuryakyn lizard lights.
Almost 3 years ago and 20,000 miles ago, Kelly installed lizard lights on my VTX. Now this kit comes with a fuse, it comes with a switch, it comes with all the lights that you need, and the extensions to put lights from the front to the back of your motorcycle.
When Kyle told me we were going to be installing lizard lights, I was a little skeptical because I'm not great with electronics.
But this kit is super simple to install.
So this is our switch, and this is our fuse. All we have to do now is connect the positive and the negative.
Positive and negative to the battery, and then everything else is taken care of.
Now this kit comes in two different sizes, a starter and a Maximus.
The starter kit's going to give you 4 lights, and the Maximus kit will give you 8 lights.
Now if you choose the starter kit, you would go ahead and mount the lights on the front and back of the tank for the best look.
And 8 lights is the perfect amount to get a good start on your entire machine.
Other great places to mount your lights are up on the neck of your bike, the front wheel, or the rear wheel.
Now the neat thing about the Kuryakyn lizard lights is the fact that you're going to be able to light your motorcycle with the color of light that you choose without having to choose a different package.
As you see here below, these lights are currently in the morph mode.
Now in the morph mode, they're going to change from color to color to color. And there's a knob on this particular controller where you can control how fast they change or slow them down so they change extremely slow.
In addition to morphing, you can also have them flash.
And just like in the morph mode, you can change the speed of the flash by turning the knob.
Let's come in and take a closer look at where we mounted these lights, and I'll explain to you why we mounted them where we did.
So we've got our battery all plugged in. These are our 2 leads. In this case, really just as simple as running the wire wherever we want it, plugging it in, and flipping the switch. So we've got our lights plugged in and turned on. We've used our Y connectors and our extensions to get the lights to exactly where we want them to go.
This was my first experience with double stick tape, and really the lights were super simple to install.
Now all that's left is prep the surface and stick them on. Now that we've got the surfaces prepped, it's time to stick the lights. All we're gonna do is peel the backing off and stick them up there.
Now one thing to remember when using the double stick tape, it's 3M automotive tape that's extremely sticky. So make sure that you prep the surface and then stick it one time to where you need it to go because that bond is extremely strong.
So we're going to mount our switch on the left-hand side to make sure that we can actually turn it on while we're riding. Now our lights and our switch we mount with double-sided tape. The key to making sure that these stick on properly is prepping the surface. We're going to do that by prepping it with an alcohol pad.
This switch has 3 different settings, off, on, and flashing. And if you push the button, it'll cycle through the colors.
Kuryakyn lizard lights are fantastic options, super simple, probably the most plug-and-play option out there if you're looking to add accent lighting to your motorcycle. Now Kelly, what are some of the reasons that people really like to put accent lighting on their motorcycle?
Honestly, Kyle, it's just because it looks badass and it gives you an opportunity to make your bike have a personality of its own.
Thank you for watching this Kuryakyn lizard light explanation. Until next time, take care
And ride safe.